ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تبارك وتعالى يا أيها الذين آمنوا قوا أنفسكم وأهليكم نارا وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم كلكم راع وكلكم مسؤول عن رعيته أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Honorable President, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am very thankful to my teachers for giving me such a great opportunity to stand in front of you and say something about an important topic that shapes our hearts, our minds, and our entire future. Today, I am going to talk about role of parents and teachers in education and upbringing. Honorable President, parents are the first light in a child's life. Their love, prayers, and sacrifices build the foundation of who we become. As the poet beautifully says, mother's prayers protect the path, father's strength removes every fear. Parents teach us our first words, our first steps, and our first values. They hold our hands before any teacher ever does. Honorable President, teachers are the guiding lights of society. They don't only teach lessons from book. They also build our characters, our minds, our values, our curiosity, our personality, our futures, and the ability to think. अदब भी एक करीना है मोहब्बत के करीनों में अदब भी एक करीना है मोहब्बत के करीनों में उस्ताद भी एक नगीना है जन्नत के नगीनों में. Honorable President, behind every successful child, there are two guiding lights, loving parents and dedicated teachers. Therefore, the poet says, parents give us roots, teachers give us wings, and with their love and guidance, every child learns to rise. Thank you.